Welcome back to Hobby Time with Chris. So I just finished the X-Maxx locking that diff and I got some sunshine, so let's test it out. I put 2050 gearing in there. So let's get a top speed. I don't know if you guys can see the screen right now. I don't think my phone's in my pocket. Speed, peak, enter. Is that 0? Where's my phone? I don't have it. You're just gonna have to trust me. Yeah, I just locked the center diff because I got the mystery clicking noise. I put spacers in there from a front and rear diff rebuild kit, so it's not the right spacer, but I can already tell it worked. So let's see how fast it is. Well, it's definitely cooking. It's not going straight that well, but hey, it's not built for speed. That's pinned. No more clicking noise. Very nice. 44 miles per hour. I'm pretty sure that's 1 miles per hour faster than I've ever clocked it. I never got a good run on it brand new. And yeah, we'll try this one more time. Definitely no more clicking noise. It's pinned. That's all she's got. I bet you we didn't gain anything. It's pinned again. Ooh. 44. Yeah, that's it. But either way, you can tell my locked diff is working fine. Before I get ran over, might take it to the skate park. Got the X-Maxx out. I got a standard, I'm gonna say 10th scale fan on there. It's been holding up really good, so we'll see if I break it today. It's a new skate park. They changed it quite a bit. This used to be like a big ramp BMX section, but there's a giant skateboard right there. I'm pretty sure I can fly off of. Hopefully not into the main road, but we'll see. I'm gonna make sure my lights are in there. They pop out all the time. It's just a little fun thing I had going. I'm gonna leave it. Yep. I'm gonna put my lid back on and send it for a rip. This is the original body. I'm gonna try really hard not to scratch the paint. Like that. There's a nice jump right there. No way. Ooh, that was a rough hit. I don't think that's gonna damage it too much, but I don't even know if I'm recording. Oh, maybe we can jump this way. I'm not sure if there's a curve. There is. Ooh, another one. Well, that was a nice little gap. That's the kind of stuff I love about this thing. If there's a lip, you could jump it. Look at that turning radius. You gotta watch the lip in the skate park. That one. But I want to do that again. I'll step back to hopefully you guys can see it better. That's pretty far. Shoot, that M2C Racing, holding up pretty good. Let's see what the rear view looks like. I like that jump a lot, guys. Definitely went further that time. Once these batteries warm up, man, it just lifts up. That's a pretty decent one too right there. Well, I'm happy I came. By the dump. I think this should showcase the jump quite nicely. If I can line it up is the next question. Oh, thank the Lord. Worst turn radius ever. Goes to the X-Maxx. See, if and when I make a bunch of money, I'm gonna make a nice dirt track around here. Like, let's just say buy one of these football fields, or likely the one close to the skate park by my house, and build jumps. But there's somebody walking their dog, so I'm gonna pause it. I just stopped driving for a second because I want to send it out this loop again. It's pinned right now. Boom! Oh my God! Did you see how perfect that just happened? Well, today's my day. I might go get a scratch off. Maybe I'll be able to buy that field after all. Yeah, too bad for the skate park though, but if I'm lucky I could send it off that one right there and then land in the grass way over yonder. 198? Shit, folks, we gotta take a break. Pardon my French. Be right back. Alright guys, we're gonna try sending it off this one and landing in the grass over there. But the run up is kind of funny. And I really don't want to hit the obvious. Up. Ooh, it spun around completely when it landed. That's insane. Let's see if I can't manage to do that from over here. Scary, scary, scary. I don't know what it was, but we're gonna try that again. See what I mean by horrible air control? So we landed about there. I think I'll be able to film it pretty good from right here. By the way, I let it cool down to about 115. Oh man. See, I just don't know if that ramp is backflip worthy. We'll try a front flip and not kill myself. Very nice. Very nice. Bounces on the landing a bit, but it took a nosedive quite well. And the back's fine. That's a pretty nice jump right there. Got it. Barely, but I got it. Sucker's moving today. Oh, I didn't even see her. I'm pausing. Alright, I think we're clear. It's jumping a lot of fun right here. Perfect front flipper. Oh! I swear I haven't broken. This might be a really long video. But you wanna know what? Oh! I don't think that's gonna go too well. I'm gonna send it from the side. There's a hill right there. Well, you wanna know what? This will give us a good idea on how she jumps. Oh, you know, it might barely clear that. Just barely. Guys, I scratched the paint. What am I gonna do? Scratch the paint. My mom's gonna be so mad at me. See, this lip right here looks that much better. Oh my God. Perfect landing. Hello. This thing is the jumping champion. Doesn't really land in a good spot right there. I like this one way more, but I'm gonna see if I can't find anything else right after I check the heat. 149, we're doing great. Yeah, I'm gonna check around here, see if I can't find anything else. Since I'm here, I'll hit this one more time. Still might be my favorite jump here. It just launches so nicely off of that. I bet you if I only jumped this jump, I would never break the X-Maxx. Unless I tried front flipping it. Perfect. Perfect. Ooh, just good enough to do it one more time. Give you guys a better angle of that. This is the pooper. Ooh, tumble wumbo. It's gonna make me work for it. BRB. One of these days I'll come back and clear the road right there. Attempt number 3. Here, just to give you an idea on how far it flies. I don't want to scare this guy working. Ooh, that's one way to break stuff right there. It cut out. My battery unplugged? What? Those Traxxas connectors. One of these days I will cut you off. But today is not the day. Oh dang, that took quite the hit, guys. I lost a zip tie. Crap, I don't think I brought zip ties. Ooh. As suspected, it's running just fine. I must have nailed it perfectly one time to get that front flip in. I'm sure I'll get it again, but I'm gonna try jumping it somewhere else. Back in action. I think the back bumper is a little crooked. Got some new grass mod. Don't break it on the curb. Yeah, I knew I could do it. Close. By the way, I'll explain to you guys what I did in the next maintenance video, but I know a lot of you think about your X-Maxx, and when you go to push it, it's really hard to move, but check this out. And do you hear how quiet? You hear that? I'll let you know my secret soon. Soon. I don't even know if I'm recording. Yes, I am. I can't see the red light. I also dropped my freaking GoPro. So I don't know if a GoPro can do a good job with this scratched lens, but we're about to find out. It's a GoPro Hero 3 Plus. I got it back in like 1894 or something like that. Yeah, I know. Maybe I can do a flip and land on the landing. Nope. Oh man. I'm never gonna get up there to get it. Oh, I forgot about my thing, my fans. No. I could get it from there. Tumblewumbo. Nope. I don't know why I keep saying that. Probably because I have an X-Maxx up. I hear the fan. Oh no! I can't believe I forgot about that. It's not a fair test, you know? And you wanna know what? One blade, you. It's alright, it's still pretty dang quiet for missing one blade, so I'm probably still gonna run it, but not today. I'm gonna bring the X-Maxx back to the car. I just want to take note of the damages real quick. The truck handled it super well. I busted that shock seal again, so I do have to get a new shock shaft, unfortunately. Can't fix everything. Yeah, besides that, I mean, I'm really disappointed my zip ties didn't do as good as I thought they were going to do, but they did alright, you know. One of them made it, and my little noose made it. But my fan here, since I was negligent, I broke a blade. But I don't think it would have broke otherwise, because you guys saw the part where, whatchamacallit, my zip ties were busted, and then I sent it off a jump anyway. But anyway, that's it. Just a busted shock seal because my tube is bent, you've seen in the previous video. And that's it, guys. This thing is a beast. I have the Proline HD shock shafts in there with the you've seen the last video. Thanks for watching.